Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Amran, nomor metrik B0920100397. Today, I want to present about difference between metal, polymer and ceramic. Okay, first of all, what is metal? Okay, metal is a material that when freshly prepared, polished or fractured, show a lustrous appearance and conduct electricity and heat relatively well. Metal are typically malleable. Okay, what is polymer? Polymer, a substance which has a molecular structure built up chiefly or completely from a large number of similar units bonded together. Okay, what is ceramic? Ceramic are generally made by taking mixture of clay, earthen element, powder and water and shaping them into desired form. Once the ceramic has been shaped, it is fired in the high temperature oven known as a kiln. Okay, these are the difference between metal, polymer and ceramic. First, we can see that metal is a metallic bonding and crystal grain. As we know, crystal grain is a grain boundary is the interface between two grain or crystalline in a polycrystalline material. Okay, for polymer, polymer is a covalent and secondary bonding and it is chain molecular. Chain molecular is a relatively long chain of atoms in a molecule. Okay, for ceramic, ceramic is a ionic covalent bonding. Ceramic is a crystal grains or amorphous. Amorphous or non-crystalline solid is a solid that lacks the long range odor that is characteristic of a crystal. Okay, the advantage of metal, metal is strong and stiff, ductile, also conductive. Polymer is a low cost, lightweight and resist corrosion. For advantage of ceramic, ceramic is strong, stiff and hard, resist temperature and resist corrosion. Okay, disadvantage of metal, metal is very fracture and fatigue. For polymer, disadvantage of the polymer is low strength, low stiffness and creep. For ceramic, the disadvantage of ceramic is very brittleness. Okay, that's all my explanation about the difference between metal, polymer and ceramic. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazim Aiman bin Hazman from BMMM 1/1. Now I will explain steps to make pan of stainless steel. The first step is melting and casting. The raw material are first melt together in an electric furnace. Second step is forming. Semi-finished steel goes through forming operation, beginning with hot rolling, in which the steel is heated and passed through hot roast. The next step is heat treatment. After the stainless steel is formed, most types must go through an annealing step. The next step is discoloring. Annealing causes a scale or build-up form on the steel. The next step is cutting. Cutting operations are usually necessary to obtain the desired blank shape or size to trim the part to final size. The last step is finishing. Surface finish is an important specification for stainless steel products and is critical in application where appearance is also important. In this case, we use the impact test to testing of the material. Impact testing of metal is performed to determine the impact resistance or toughness of material by calculating the amount of energy absorbed during fracture. The impact test is performed at various temperatures to uncover any effects or impact energy. So, stainless steel need more energy than ceramic and Teflon. Next is observation. This is image of pan stainless steel. The next is a bar of pan stainless steel. Pan stainless steel can handle screaming hot temperatures and conduct heat evenly for foolproof cooking. Most pan stainless steel has a core of interior made from aluminum for even heating. Pan stainless steel also lacks a non-stick coating, which some people prefer. Next is properties of stainless steel. It's strong, it's rigid, it's hard, and the lastly is does not rust. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Okay, today I would like to present to you. Before I start, my name is Muhammad Qayyum bin Suhaimi, and today I would like to present to you how the process of making Teflon. Okay, before we go through one by one, I want to introduce to you all the Teflon is made from polymer. Teflon, which is we use 70% of raw material, and then we plus 30% of leftover production. Okay, what is leftover production? So if you want to know, stay till the end process. Okay, for the second step, which is we go to the second step, we 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 go to process melting, which is we melt the raw material to shaping. Okay, after that, uh, when the raw material were in like liquid, we filter to make sure to remove the contaminants, which is the part we don't want. Okay, after that we go to step cooling, which is using water. They have a water jacket around the aluminium. Okay, after that, um, we go to heating, so we can using chamber shaft stable. Okay, and then after that go to process trim and cutting the edge. Okay, we shape, actually the first one, when the aluminium was in 2 meter, but after we process and then rolling in machine, it can get until 100 meter. So it can be expand. Okay, after that we need to trim. We need to trim the aluminium as the shape we want. Okay, after and then next process we need to squeeze the platform, and then with 120 ton of pressure to make a pan process. We put the pressure, and then we need it leftover in around the circle. So that's leftover we reuse again to make a new Teflon finishing part, which is we color it and we rename it a brand, and then after that we completely finish the process of Teflon. Okay, thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Dayana Salihah binti Muhammad Noor. In this video, I will conduct an experiment of Sharpie impact test using a ceramic clay vase. I replace impact test machine to a stapler fastened to the phone holder. So, let's start. Based on the experiment, ceramic impact test is to predict the product resistance to impact breakage in surfaces. As the result, Ceramic needs less energy because it is low fracture toughness. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Bashira binti Kamal Zaman. Today I will conclude the experiment we have done. For this experiment, we use Charpy impact test because we want to know the toughness of the test material. Charpy test also show whether the material can be classified as brittle or ductile. For this experiment, we have concluded that ceramic is brittle because huge electrodynamic repulsion which inhibits row of ceramic atoms from sliding past other rows. Since in ceramic the rows cannot slide, the ceramic cannot plastically deform. Instead, it fractures, which make it a brittle material. In metal, the sliding of rows of atoms result in slip, which allow the metal to deform plastically instead of fracturing. For polymer is very similar to metal, where elastic deformation takes place first, followed by yielding and plastic deformation. So both polymer and metal is ductile. Thank you.